Okay. So very good morning, all of you. Today I'll be explaining you about SAP. Okay. So SAP FICO team. Let me introduce myself first. So my name is Niranjan. I'm a SAP FICO consultant. So I hold around 14 plus years of experience in SAP. So this is my LinkedIn profile. It's a verified profile. So I'm a working professional and I'm taking care of training and placements. So coming to my journey, I started as SAP end user when I was doing my graduation. And I slowly, after completion of my post graduation, I got an opportunity to work as SAP FICO consultant. So throughout my journey, I worked mostly with the client facing. So I worked on different types of projects like implementation projects, support projects, rollout projects, different types of projects, whatever in SAP, I got a chance to work on all of them. And so I work with Indian clients, Middle East clients, and US clients, Japanese clients, Netherlands clients. Okay. So these are my client exposure. Okay. So to give you more about it, so this is the companies where I got an opportunity to work with SAP. And many top three companies are totally into SAP. They are not working with any other softwares. So other two companies, you all know about it, Accenture and Flipkart. So Flipkart is not using SAP. Flipkart with a Walmart joint venture. Now in India, Walmart is a group of Walmart and Flipkart, both are joint ventures. So with Flipkart employment, I work for Walmart client as well. And Accenture, I work for one of the US based client. And top three companies, I work with multiple clients out there. Okay. So I'll give an opportunity, I'll take an opportunity to explain about my clients, what I have worked for so far, what are the clients that I have worked so far. So these are the two clients. I worked as a SAP end user when I started my journey when I started my journey career beginning. So when I was doing my graduation, I got an opportunity to work with JK Tyres. So there I understood how to do the sales invoice, how to do the customer statements, or how to see the overview of the customers, and how to maintain the limit for the customers. All these things I got an opportunity to understand. So this is the first step where I came to see about SAP Screen, and I came to understand like SAP is a global ERP product and top companies are using SAP for their business operations. So that is one opportunity where I got and to understand about SAP. And once I completed my post graduation, during my post graduation itself, I started learning SAP. So it is way back in 2009-10. So after that, I tried for consultant. In SAP, there are two roles. One is like consultant, one is like end user. I'll tell you about it. So, and I did not get opportunity as consultant, but as a fresher, I got an opportunity as end user. So this is one of the Switzerland-based client where I understood about vendor processing and all. So we used to get bunch of invoices. I used to see that invoice. I need to identify the who is the vendor, how much amount, so how many dollars or how many INR currencies. So I used to identify and I used to post it. This is a very long backstory. So this is as end user. And when I was working as end user itself, I was trying for the consultant role. So then I got an opportunity to work with the different companies, and these are all the clients I got an opportunity to work as SAP consultant. So 90% of my career in SAP consultant, I work with client facing. I used to take the direct requirements from the client, what is their requirement, and I used to do it in SAP system with the help of me and my team members, and I used to deliver to the client. So here, when we directly interact with the clients, we'll understand about the client business process. There we get an opportunity to work with to understand the SAP process. So whatever the knowledge I gained, so during my career, during my journey, so I am happy to share this to all of you, and I am happy to make you easy understanding about SAP, and also I can guide you in a better way, in a genuine way, where you can step into SAP world. Okay, so I can take all this till straight starting from the training till your placement. I can take the responsibility of the guidance. So the only one thing is you should able to do whatever the task that we are giving and whatever the subject that we are teaching, you should able to practice it. That's the only one thing I'm expecting. Okay. So I'll try to help you with complete understanding about SAP and also SAP FICO, what is SAP, why it is going to help us, all those things. And at end, I'll take up all your questions. Whatever the questions you are having, I'm happy to take up all your questions and on your guidance as well. Okay. So now this is our entire our organization vision, mission, and core values. So it's a group of consultants. We started this organization. It's not only me. We are around 10 consultants. So right from the company's management to consultant level, we are around 10 people. So our main agenda is to give the best quality training and also give the genuine career guidance. Genuine career guidance, not simply saying that we have this company with us, we'll place you in this company. We never commit that wrong commitment. So our agenda is, if you go and attend any interview in the world, not only in India, it may be a face-to-face interview, it may be a telephonic, or it may be a virtual, or whatever it is. My team, they should be capable to handle that interview. Either you are a fresher or you are converting your career from non-SAP to SAP, my team should be capable. That is the agenda. We started this and we are continuously working on this as well. This only. Okay. Our aim is to give the best resources to SAP world. Okay. We are all SAP consultants. We have seen how SAP world is there and what is the work culture and how the salaries are. So financial career growth will be there in SAP. We have seen that. And we want all of our team members also to be in that position. Okay. And many of you would be having a doubt whether I am eligible to take this course. Can I take this course? So first thing, graduates and postgraduates, any stream, it can be from finance, it can be from commerce, it can be from BTech, it can be from any stream. We can apply, we can learn this SAP FICO course. FI means finance. Many people will be thinking, are finance is accounts. I am not from accounting background. No, nothing like that. Anyone can do it. We are not going for accounting job. We are going for consulting job. Okay. So consulting means belongs to finance. That finance is something what we see every day in our practical life. Okay. I'll come across those things. So any graduates, postgraduates. And I have one story, even undergrad, I mean, the who doesn't have, who is doing graduation, they can also learn this. So, so when you are doing graduation, whatever you are learning, the same thing you can apply in SAP. So they also can do this, but mostly graduates and postgraduates are eligible for for job or to get a job in SAP. Any graduates, you can search from LinkedIn as well or Naukri also. So there will be openings for SAP. So if you see the qualification, they will be mentioning it as any graduates. Okay, so anyone can do this, and others, if you're already working with non-IT and if you want to shift your career to IT, so I have many stories like my team, my already placed students, they were working with non-IT and their salary, even though they are having 10 years of experience, their salary is around 8 to 9 lakhs or 10 lakhs package. Some of them are having 6 lakhs package. So they're very good. They're academic wise, they're very good. They can learn anything. They can able to prove themselves. Okay. But because of their existing companies work and all, they could not able to go to the IT. They could not able to get into the high salaries. Okay. So if you are in that position, happily you can and you can learn SAP. We'll be here to guide you from the scratch. We teach you from the scratch and we help you for your career growth. Okay. So non-IT to IT easily we can convert into SAP. It's very easy. And if you are looking for, if you are in India, I want to go for a global opportunities, then you can use SAP because SAP is the global leader, and SAP is being used in almost all the countries. More than 155 plus countries they are using SAP. So if you want that global opportunities, you can grab it. And SAP is the topmost ERP. So there are other ERPs also, but out of that, SAP is the topmost ERP. So that is one good thing, right? For us, why we need to learn SAP, why can't Oracle means SAP is the global leader. Wherever you go in the world, you can get an opportunity, but the skill should be with us. Okay, so that's one. And second thing, like night shifts. See, many of you, maybe you will be working with night shifts, 3 months, one shift, another 3 months, one. There are many people from Genpact or other companies also. So where these guys are working night shifts. So in SAP career, night shifts is very rare. 99% there won't be night shifts. Even I work for US clients. Across globe, I work for many clients. So US shift is the night shift generally. So when I work for US clients, even from Accenture and other companies, so I used to work till maximum 1 o'clock. Okay, I used to say them, no, sir, it's not possible. I can log in at 2 o'clock until in case in worst situation, 12 or 1. That's it, not beyond that. Even they won't used to insist or they won't used to pressurize. No, no, you have to work till 2, 3, 4, 5 in the morning. No, nothing. So you can have this type of facilities with this type of, because it's a core professional module. SAP FICO is a core professional module. We can easily get these opportunities. And so in SAP 5 days only. In IT itself, 5 days. Majority of the companies they're working 5 days, and SAP will give you 5 days. You no need to work for till Saturday. That's one more encouragement for us. So I know many people are working 6 days and with less salaries. So you definitely choose this. Okay, that's my suggestion. Since we are consultants, we are doing this thing. We have confidence to help you. We have confidence to support you on this part. And low salaries to high salaries, as we discussed. And people just completed your graduation or post graduation, and you are looking for a top-notch career growth software course, you can opt SAP. So there are so many software courses in the market. So why SAP means SAP is something, even when I started my journey in 2009. So SAP was the topmost ERP product, and today also topmost ERP product. Till I retire, also I am having that confidence that SAP is the topmost ERP product. Then what else we need? So I have seen so many codings when I started my journey, like Power BI or Informatica or etc. XYZ and all. So today I could not able to see that codes, but I can see SAP codes even today. So that is one top-notch thing where till our retirement we no need to think about any other softwares. Okay, so if you are just completed your graduation, you should be in a topmost ERP world or topmost software means SAP is one of the best opportunity. And one more people like if you have completed your graduation 5 years back, 4 years back, or 10 years back, and you have a career gap because of your personal business or because of your abroad opportunities or your like government examinations, preparations, civils like that, or many people from CA background, their aim is to become a chartered accountant professional course. But in case if they could not able to do it, so just focus on SAP. SAP will give you the bright career. But for career gap people, the only one thing I can say that you should have some patience. So obviously, we have a career gap means we should learn SAP. We should equal to the industry expert. So that we will do it. So uh, whatever the work that 4 or 5 years of experience the person is doing in the market, in the company, same skill set we should build if you are having a career gap. For that, we'll guide you. For that, it's our responsibility to guide you, but your responsibility to work on it. We have a lot of people here in the same situation. We are guiding them. They got placed also. I'll share their offer letters also at end of this session. So, but you should be in that situation. Simply after completion of the course, if you're looking for a job, you will not get it. So if you're having a career gap, means you have full time. So I recommend 8 to 9 hours if you're having career gap. No work means 8 to 9 hours. Think that today itself you got a job and start your day at 9 o'clock, end your day at evening 8, 9, like that. So be with SAP one. SAP will give you the bright career growth. BGV and all, we can do something. You can approach one or two consultancies. They can help you about your BGV. We will not going to do that. So, but consultancies are there outside, they will help you. If you have skill set, you can work with him. If you really have skill set, you can even go as a freelancer without any BGV. So that is the confidence we have with SAP. In SAP also, we have freelancing jobs as well. So for career gap people, don't worry. If you're really focused, you can achieve it. I'm telling you. Okay. We have seen hundreds of stories, hundreds, thousands of stories we have seen. That's the reason we are giving this confidence and we are giving this answer to you. And these are the people. I mean, we all may be in that any one of these situation. So individually you'll be asking. So I have given the common answer. This is the common questions which I face in all the demos. Sir, I'm working in night shift. I don't have job from past 4 years. And one more thing I did not kept here. So if you are doing a job and due to some situation you came out of the company, it's been 1 year, 6 months, 8 months, 3 months, or 2 years, 3 years, no problem. You no need to do any any other company's documents. Keep your own documents and you can go with a SAP. So many people in our institution, around 1 year of career gap or 2 years of career gap, they might be working with other companies. So after due to some situation, they came out and from past 1 year, they're not working. This type of people also, they can easily go into SAP. Okay. They know they can keep their own original documents. That's it. They don't need to do any faking to their resume. So genuine thing, just change your resume with your SAP skill set. We'll guide you on. Okay. If you are having skill set, you can achieve it. And before starting our SAP explanation, one more thing. So in and across around us, many friends or other relatives or society, some friends, they will be saying that, Array, this company, we have a panel or we have some references. So if we pay money, they'll give the job. So this is the thing which I see very often in the institution. So after 3, 4 months, they'll come back to us and they'll say that, sir, we lost a job. We paid 4 lakhs. We worked for 3 months because of no skill. They removed us. Okay. Now we need to learn. So first you learn the subject. So you understand the process of SAP. Then you go to the job. Okay. So because of maybe some family pressure will be there, society pressure will be there, job is important, salary is important. Without skill set, if you go and sit in the project, since I am the real-time consultant, we have seen that pressure, how the pressure will be from the client side. Without having knowledge, we cannot handle it. At least with the minimum knowledge, you can able to handle. Without having knowledge, you cannot handle. That will give us a wrong career opportunities. So that is one suggestion from my side. So go with learn first subject and then go for opportunities. Okay. So this is out of box, but I'm facing this situation from other people. So that's I want to suggest you. That's it. Okay. So now let me go into what is SAP and how SAP is going to help us for our career. Let me go one by one. What is SAP? SAP stands for Systems, Applications, and Products in Data Processing. So it is a software actually. SAP is a software. So the full form of SAP is Systems, Applications, and Products in Data Processing. So we should not call it as SAP actually. It's a bad word as per Germany. So we should not call it as SAP. We have to use SAP only. Okay. And generally we used to hear SAP. SAP should not be the used. Okay. And SAP is an ERP system. SAP is a ERP system. What is ERP? We are all 50 people. We gathered today. So let us start a business. So Rapido or Ola or Jepito or Blinkit, whatever the business, let us start. If we need to start a business, we should have some software where whatever the task that we are doing, whether purchasing, sale, incoming payment, outgoing payment, salaries, everything should be recorded in some software, right? If we are all 50, if we need to start a business, first we should have one software. Without software, you cannot remember, I cannot remember, or in 50 of our group, maybe 10 people they will go to other companies. Another 10 people will come from other companies to our company. Nobody will remember the transactions. Even if I write in the book, nobody will see it. So in Excel also, we cannot store. So there should be a proper software where from day one to day end, whatever we are doing, it can be a manufacturing, it can be a financial activity, it can be a purchase activity, it can be a sales activity. Everything should be recorded. Everything should be recorded in the system. Recorded means stored in the system. Why? I want to see the balance sheet, I can get it. I want to see the production report, I can see it. I want to see the sales report, I can see it. So one software should be there. That type of softwares are called ERPs. ERPs are that type of softwares. Okay. And ERP is an integrated software. It's an integrated software. If you are taking ERP, best ERP like SAP, you no need to use any other software. There are small ERPs, Tally. Many of you know, we have heard about Tally in the beginning days also. So when I was doing degree, there were a lot of boards, Tally. Okay. So Tally is also ERP. But big companies like Reliance Industries, Tata Motors, TVS Tires, these companies, they cannot use Tally. So then what they will use? They will use SAP. Tata Motors is using SAP. Hindustan Unilever Limited is using SAP. Nestle is using SAP. Reliance Industries is the first people who introduced SAP, who started SAP in India way back 20-25 years back story I'm talking. So if you take about global companies like even Microsoft is also using SAP for some of the operations. Apple, many of our clients they are using SAP. They're working in SAP. Many of our friends they are working in Apple. Okay, L'Oreal. You take any of these type of companies, they are with Nike shoes. Okay, so all these companies they are working with SAP. I have given only few examples. I'll show you many examples going forward. So these are all the and local companies we all know. Amar Raja batteries we use for our bikes. Okay, it's in Hyderabad based. It's in Hyderabad based company. So they are into SAP from very long, from more than 10 years. They are into SAP. Excite batteries. And if you see the power bill, so in your house, we are getting a power bill like SPDCL, so Power Distribution Corporation of India, something you'll be getting limited. Okay. So these companies, they are interested. So all corporate office transactions will be done in SAP. Okay. So SAP is the topmost ERP and where this type of companies are using. Small companies, those who are having 5 employees, 10 employees, they and their turnover is around 1 crore, 5 crore, they cannot able to go with SAP because SAP is a bit costly. So, but big companies, they definitely has to use something ERPs like SAP. Okay. Yeah. And so SAP is helping the complete business process. And in that complete business process, we are going to learn this finance management part. One person, it is not possible to learn supply chain, manufacturing, HR, so, customer relationship, not possible. So our aim, I am a FICO consultant. My aim is to make you best in this role, in this field. Okay, that's I stick on this. It's this recording is completely recorded. So this session is completely recorded. It will be given to you. So whenever if you feel that we have missed our commitments, you can come with this recording. So that's why we started recording this. Okay. So that is the commitment that we are giving on this course. And coming to the top ERP products in the world, we have like SAP, Oracle, Microsoft Dynamics, Odoo, ERP Next, Tally, etc. These are all the top products. Out of this, SAP is the global leader. You can search in Google. You have phone, just open and search. What is the top ERP product? SAP is the top ERP product. If you take top 10 companies in the world, SAP is one. Even today, artificial intelligence is the booming. Artificial intelligence is also being used by SAP. Okay. AI is not a threat for SAP. AI is an opportunity for SAP. So SAP is having such a brilliant team. Whatever the new technologies they are implementing into SAP for their easy utilization. That's also AI is a technology. So that technology we are using it in SAP. Okay. So it's not a threat, it's an opportunity. Okay. And these are all the different ERP products like Odoo, small company. If you are starting a company, so you can use Odoo with less pay. You can use Odoo, or you can use Tally. Okay, some big level companies you can go for Oracle. Your company is more into financial. You are not into manufacturing. You are not into uh, multiple operations. You can go for Oracle. Microsoft Dynamics also same. So mid-level companies they can choose either these three. Top level companies, mid-level and top level, they can choose any of these three. SAP is the topmost of them. Okay. So manufacturing company means they won't go to Oracle or Microsoft Dynamics. They definitely go with SAP. Okay. Because SAP is having huge other options in SAP. Okay. So that is the one. Now coming to the history of, okay, I have told you about SAP, but what is SAP when it was started? History we need to understand, right? It's not a 5 years or 10 years aged company. SAP was started by German engineers. It's not Indian company or it's not US company. It's a Germany company. German people, they were working with IBM in 1960s. They came out of IBM and they started their company, their own company as SAP in the year 1972. 1972 means more than 50 years. Okay. So it headquarters is in Germany. And we have two types of systems in SAP. One is ECC system and second one is S4HANA system. What is ECC? ECC is the old system. Okay, I'll give you the full form going forward. Don't worry. This is too early for our full form server. Okay, so and S4HANA is the new system. So since SAP is very big company, they have very decent R&D team, research and development team. They came up with the latest technology called HANA. Okay, so that you can use SAP in mobile phones. We can use SAP without tablet. So if manager is going in car, he want to approve a purchase order. Why he need to go to the office? He'll open his mobile phone, he'll approve it. He'll see the complete information about that history of the PU. So that technology was bought into HANA. In olden days, it was not there. In HANA, it is there. But today, if you want to attend interviews, they are asking both. Did you work on ECC? Did you work on HANA? Why? Because both the systems are available in the market. So maybe another till 27, they told that ECC will be removed and only S4HANA will be available. But now we are getting news that so till 2040 also SAP will be used in the market because more than 40-50% of people still they are into SAP. Correct? We are using mobile phone for 2-3 years, and when we are changing from Android to iOS, so we are feeling very difficulty. Our data, apps, backup, so a lot of challenges we are facing. Now you think companies like Reliance Industries, where they are operating globally, it's not so easy to migrate from old ERP to new ERP. So it's taking so a lot of challenges, time and all. That's the reason SAP we need to learn. S4HANA also we need to learn. We are in a phase of conversion from old system to new system. So both we need to learn. So since I have worked on both the systems. So I'll be teaching first in ECC and also I'll go to S4HANA. So I'll make sure both the systems will be good. And ECC will be teaching first and then we'll be going to S4HANA. So when we go to S4HANA, what are the changes from ECC to S4HANA that we are going to learn from scratch itself? Okay. So after completion of the course, if they're asking what is ECC, you can able to answer. What is S4HANA also, you can able to answer. Okay. So that is the most common interview question nowadays. That is without that differences, you cannot able to crack it. So both the systems we need to learn. So in finance, so we need to learn both the systems. I'll be teaching you both. Don't worry, 95% both are same. Only 5% there is a difference. Clear thing? Yeah. So next one, sir. Okay, sir. Why we need to learn SAP FICO? So why means what about salaries? Salaries will be high with SAP FICO when compared with the other software, or if you take top paying software courses, SAP is one among them. Okay. So if you should have freshers, you may not get it. I'm telling you, not only in SAP, freshers in IT field, you'll not get high salaries. But once you get experience, your salaries will be multiplied. Okay. We might be seeing one person will be earning 10,000, later 20,000, drastically 60,000, drastically 1,20,000. That potential you will get with SAP. Okay. Once you get experience, you can demand for your pay. Okay. So that's one thing. It's the highest earning, and average 5 years of people, you can earn anywhere between 15 to 20 lakhs package. Okay. Again, depends upon the market condition. This is the average that I'm going to you. And job security. Once you step into SAP, without skill set, people came out. With the skill set, nobody has came. Okay. There are so many jobs with very high skills also. Once they get experience, because of high salaries, they will remove them and they will keep the juniors. But in SAP, it's not like that. Once you gain experience, you will not be removed from the project because you are the asset for the project. So you will be leading the client, you will be leading the solution. you'll be giving the better system for your client. So job security will be 100% with SAP. Till your retirement, you can see in SAP. That's I can say. There are a lot of projects like implementation projects, upgradation projects, support projects. One or the other, it will be going in SAP. Okay. And we have different career opportunities with SAP. Once you get more experienced, you can go as a project manager. You can go as a delivery lead. If you're having, you are a beginner, you can go as a fresher or SAP end user. So, or once you get some knowledge, you can go as a consultant and end user. These are the major roles. At this point, we can consider. If you are having high experience, then you can go for SAP consultant. Okay. Hope you are. So now let us step into our SAP FICO. We understood about SAP. Now we are understanding about FICO. FI stands for finance, CO stands for control. Finance is one type of financial process. CO is also, it belongs to the finance only, but it's different. Finance means it is for external people. External means whatever the business you are doing, you have to tell to outside. Suppose Britannia Industries, I want to see the balance sheet. I can go to Google, I can find out the Britannia Industries balance sheet because it's a public limited company. So finance is used for external reporting purpose. Controlling is used for internal reporting purpose. In finance, we have like general ledger, accounts payable, account receivable, asset accounting, bank. So we'll see in details of this course details going forward. Monday we are starting our class. Once we start our class at 10 a.m. same time. So I'll explain you the course content again and I'll go with the classes. Okay. So at high level, what is general ledger? It deals with books. Okay. So we are doing rent. We are paying rent. We are buying from vendors. So we are selling something. Suppose you have a scrap in your house, you are selling to the customer. So that everything we do with general ledger. Okay. And accounts payables means when we are buying anything, we need to make payment. That's the complete things we are going to learn in accounts payable, like vendor advance, vendor payments, full payments, partial payments, payment terms, 30 days, 60 days, and manual payments, automatic payments. All these things we are going to learn in accounts payables. Same thing we are going to learn in accounts receivables for customers. So payables is vendors, receivables is customers. When we sell, we'll receive the payment from the customers. How to sell, how to receive the payment, the complete process we are going to learn in account receivable. Next one, you have a bike. Your bike value is around 1 lakh rupees. So you are using your bike from past 1 year. So every month the value of your bike is getting reduced. So depreciation. So the complete life cycle of the asset, not only bike, I have taken just example. It may be AC, it may be a very big machinery. Okay. So plant and machinery, furniture, anything. So all those things, how to run the depreciation. So when you sell after 1 year, 2 years, whether you'll get profit loss, how to deal with that, how to transfer asset from one department to other department, how to scrap the asset, all those things we are going to see in asset account. The complete history of the asset we are going to see here. Next one, banking. Coming to the banking is another important module. So where we will be see, it will help us for automations. So we can make payments automatically. So we can even do the reconciliations automatically with the bank. Okay. And next one is that's about the finance part. So it will not be difficult. Even a layman can easily understand. Even from anyone from any stream, we can understand. Because here you are not learning some theory, some theorems or formulas or coding. There is no coding. So just how you are doing your mobile phone configuration settings, in the same way SAP should be configured. Okay, so that is one important. And next one, coming to the controlling part. In controlling, we have cost element accounting, cost center accounting, profit center accounting, internal orders, product costing, COPA. So these are all the topics that we need to see in controlling. Out of this, product costing COPA is an optional thing because if you want to become FICO consultant, up to here is fine. But however, I'll share knowledge on this too as well later. So if you want to explore your knowledge, you can even focus on this area. Okay. And in each area, we learn what are the configuration settings, like what is master data, transaction data, reports and analysis, everything we are going to see in each topic. In each topic, we are going to see it. Okay. And this is the business process we are going to learn. Okay. So same thing, whatever I have explained theoretically, this is the flow chart of the business process. So we learn the complete purchasing process, sales process, customer process, vendor process, asset, personal, general transactions. Yesterday, I met one of the businessmen. So it's my yesterday's experience I'm sharing it with you. So he is very rich man actually. So he's having a lot of properties and he's managing his properties. So rental, etc., etc. So he was talking when I was saying that I'm a SAP consultant. He was also talking like in a SAP language, and he said, "Niranjan, I also learned SAP when I completed my graduation, but I'm managing my business." So why how SAP helped him to manage his business means in SAP is a business software, right? So SAP will help you to understand what is purchasing process, what is sales process. FICO in our course itself, even though we are in a finance module, we'll learn about complete purchasing process, sales process, vendor management process, how to manage the vendor, how to deal with the credit memo, how to deal with the vendor invoice, how to deal with the vendor payments, either how to deal with the partial payments, how to deal with the full payments. All these things we can learn here. That will help us for our professional growth also if you are having your own business. So that's also one of the best career uh, enhancement that we get with this course. If you are learning some coding related, that will not help for your personal business. But SAP FICO will help for your personal business. How to manage your financials, how to manage your vendors, how to manage your what are the business processes, everything you learn with SAP. So, so this is enhancing our career. Job is something, our career enhancement is another thing, right? This will definitely help you. Okay. And what do we offer? So I told you about the course, everything. So as a training, we are talking about training only. During training, so we will be helping you with since I'm a real-time consultant, job-based training will be there from the beginning. Daily recorded sessions will be given to you. So why job-based I have kept here? So SAP is a ocean. I can teach whatever I know, but that is not the priority. Whatever the companies are expecting, that should be the our most focusing point. So that will be my most focusing point in our training. Okay. And daily recorded sessions will be given to you. Within 30 minutes to 1 hour, it will come to your, there will be a drive. So that drive will be given for your lifetime. Okay. So within after completion of 30 minutes, you'll get access in that drive. So you can follow it. So that will be for lifetime. Whenever you want, you can revise it. But my suggestion immediately today, if you complete the class, today itself you have to learn it. Okay. And the class duration will be 40 minutes to 1 hour. Depends upon the topic. I don't have any objection to take 2 hours class also, but you have to understand. Okay. So 40 minutes to 1 hour is our 1 hour is our ideal duration. So in that the actual class will be happen 40 to 1 hour. Depends upon the topic. If I feel that we have covered lengthy and you have to understand, then I'll hold it. Okay. 3 months will be the duration for our training for both ECC and S4HANA. And server we will provide you don't worry. Till the completion of your course, server is our responsibility. Okay. And real-time explanation will be given by me. So I don't teach you from the books. I teach you from my practical experience. So whatever I faced in the real time, same experiences, I'm going to share it to you. 100%. This is assured. Don't worry about it. Okay. So assignments will be given in the class. So whatever if I give you one topic like partial payments, again, partial payments are also different types. Today is one partial payment, tomorrow is also partial payment. So how to deal that? So this type partial payment I'll teach you in the class. Different assignments I'll give you as a homework. You have to work. So that is something which I faced. And if you go to interviews, this will help you. Okay. Cross questions, you can able to answer this. Resume support. Yes, we help you with the resume support. Okay. So we help you with this. We'll not prepare. If you want us, we can prepare. But if our team is preparing your resume, how can you answer in the interview? It's very easy for us to prepare. But We guide you how to prepare. You have to prepare. We'll review and we'll find it. Okay, that is how you can understand mock interviews. Yes, during class I'll ask you questions, not one by one. It's a group. I'll be asking questions. And after completion of the course, you can register for the mock interview, one-on-one interview. We have a process for that registration. It's a free registration only. So just come back to us. You can give the interviews, either online or offline. No worries. So there we'll sit and we'll guide you. Arey boss, these are the questions you are saying wrong. You have to prepare in this way. We'll ask you cross questions. So that will definitely, we will be sharing you a sample of mock interviews also. What type of questions, whatever we have taken for the previous our students, we'll share it to you. You can prepare same thing. So same thing means same thing they will ask you in live interviews also. Okay. How confident you are saying is most important for us. So mock interviews also will conduct and mini project will be given to you. So after completion of the course, project will be given to you and interview guidance will be provided. Okay. And we do have 100% placement guarantee program. I'll come with that. We have two types of courses here. One is training with assistance. One is training with placement guarantee. I'll tell you all those things. No worries. And this is while learning, this is the support I'm going to give it to you. So, sir, I'm in Bangalore, or I'm in Chennai, or I'm in Mumbai, Delhi. Sir, if I get a doubt, how can I ask? Because if you're in Hyderabad, okay, I can come to your office and you can help with someone. But if you are outside, we will give one ticketing tool where you can send us a mail. Okay, so with clear mail. So will guide you what type of tickets, how to send it to us. Everything will guide you. So many of the tickets, frequently asked tickets, we are updating on day-to-day basis in our YouTube channel. You can see our YouTube channel, MyERP Hub, where the issues are being given as a resolution. So still, if you are not getting solution, you can send us a mail. So our team there is a dedicated team for that. They will be replying you. Maybe it may take 30 minutes or 1 hour, but they will definitely reply. Okay. So daily connect and still, sir, I don't want to send mail or I sent a mail, but I did not get correct answer. Is there any other option? Tomorrow morning class, I'll help you. But till tomorrow, I cannot wait. Is there any other option? There is one of our student who is working with other companies. He's our old student. So he is working with other companies. So he will connect at 9 p.m. to clarify your doubts. Okay. So that is one of the benefit. Okay. He is a working person. So he will share realistic knowledge only. So if you have any issues, he will help you in system. You have stopped, you cannot move forward. Still you are not happy. Next day morning, I'll be in the class. I'll take up your questions. This much of journey we are giving it to you. So it's all recorded. Again, I'm telling you. Okay. It's recorded means we should commit. We should deliver it. We'll deliver it. Okay. So 3 months, you'll get all this support. Okay. So offline means you can come from morning to evening, you can sit with us. Okay. So that is one thing. Weekend support. Yeah, we do have weekend support. And after class, if you want to sit, so timings is also constant, right? We have a dedicated time, 2 hours. If you have a lab facility, you can sit, you have a lab coordinator also. If you want more time, just come to the admin team and ask say your concerns. So I need to sit for 4 to 5 hours or 7 hours, 10 hours in the institution. We'll arrange. Okay. So we'll arrange a space for you and you can sit and you can learn. No worries. Okay. Dedicatedly, we can give to us. If you want more also, we can happy to provide, but just inform our admin. So they need to arrange the seatings. Okay. And as I told you, we have two programs. One is training with placement assistance. So all these things will be covering till the last step. Forget about the last step. Everything we are going to provide during the training of 3 months itself. After training, we'll give one project. And that project, you have to work on the realistic project, what I have worked on. Okay, with the training cost only. We won't charge any additional cost for the project. And we'll give you interview questions, answers, resume preparation, everything during this assistance program. So some of the known companies, they will be sending the requirements. We'll also share that requirements to you. Okay, there will be a placement team separate officer. He will be even checking the daily Naukri and all. He will be sharing it to you in the in the group. So you'll be getting that assistance 100%, no doubt about it. So what I see with my students, around 40 to 50% with this only they are getting placed. And sometimes for freshers, this is enough. For 1 or 2 years also, this is enough. And suppose you want to shift from non-IT to IT. You are having 4 years, 5 years of experience. You want to shift from non-IT to IT, or you are having career gap of 3, 4 years. You need to learn more real time, not only subject. You need to learn the real time also. Then you can come to the placement guarantee program. So I suggest try for 2, 3 interviews. You will understand what is the requirement. Then you come back to the placement guarantee program. This placement guarantee program will be handed over by me and my colleagues. What we are doing here? We will take up the complete responsibility of your placement. We'll teach you the realistic what we have. We'll not teach. We'll ask you to work on it. So this is the second. So we do have both. Since we are all real-time consultants, we have the both the facilities. One is training with placement assistance, unlike just like as it is others how they are doing. Better than that, we are doing in our placement assistance program. And placement guarantee means again, you should have good experience with the training. Training, whatever I'm teaching, you should learn every day. We'll take one small mock interview, at least 50 to 60% we expect in that. If you go outside, they're asking 100%, right? I'm asking, give me 50 to 60%. Then it is easy for us to help you in the placements. We do placement guarantee program for freshers and also end users. Freshers, end users, experienced consultants. Okay, so no worry about it. We take care of completely. You should be strong. That's the only thing. And this is how completely it will work. Complete 100% guarantee you'll get in this process. Just training means nobody can give, even I cannot. But if you are into the placement teams, we will be taking you for the placement, right? We can share our system, we can share our tickets. We'll ask you to work on the tickets. We'll take multiple times cross questions, interviews, and before going to the live interview itself, you will be perfect. For that, first training should be perfect. You have to work hard in the training. 3 months, put your full dedication, forget about everything. Okay, you might have kept lot of efforts on your graduation, post graduation. Now that is different part. This is most important. That is not giving high salaries. This will give you high salaries. And without that, this will not happen. That is okay. But now we need to put efforts. This is the career course. Okay. So hope you are clear how we are doing our training and place. So this is something which you have to understand very clear. Okay. And with a magic we cannot place. With hard work only we can place. Since we are real-time consultants, we can guide you correctly. We'll not guide you any wrong guidance. We'll give you correct guidance. You have to follow that. That's it. And just giving a highlights placements environment. How we are going to the second program about second program. So once you complete training and once you come to the placements, so here it will be like a one-on-one interaction with the real-time consultants. Me, my colleagues are there. You can, so if I am busy, they will take care. If we'll be splitting the groups between us and we will be taking care of it. And we'll be giving you day-to-day activities and we'll be tracking. In training, we'll teach. In placements, we'll not teach. We'll give work. You have to work. Okay. If you do wrong, we'll guide you. And we give real-time case studies in the placements and industry expert guidance. Since we are all working people only, we have not learned somewhere and we are not teaching. We have practically worked on the scenarios. Same thing we are giving it to you. And you'll be having a peers interaction. So you can even discuss with them. So what type of interviews they are facing, what type of questions they have faced, and which company they are going. So we'll share all the knowledge in the placement interview. And these are the some of the success stories. Okay. So this success story is from placement assistance only. Okay. This is also from placement. This is not from placement. Pressure after course, he came to our placement team. We guided with the real-time knowledge and we have done this. Okay. ISB. So this is also pressure. He got placement. And this is something like experienced placement. She was having knowledge in non-IT and she wanted to shift her career to IT, SAP. She got it. with a decent hike only she got it. So in SAP, minimum 40% hike you can expect, 40 to 100% hike you can expect. I have stories from 7 lakhs to 14 lakhs, 7 lakhs to 10 lakhs, 7 lakhs to 12 lakhs, 10 lakhs to 16 lakh stories also I'm having. Okay, these are all genuine stories. And this is one more. So same Deloitte, but person is different. Joining date also different. This is Volkswagen. He was having 1 year career gap. So he was not working with SAP. He was working with other company with non-SAP. During layoff, he lost his job, and he came to us. He got placed with Volkswagen. 3 months training. After 3 months, he got placed as a. He was. He came to our placement team. In placement team, it took around 2 months for him to understand the real-time knowledge. So since he lost job now, from morning to evening, he used to be with us only. Whatever we are saying, he will not see that side also. He will be working on the same thing. 27 lakhs. Now he is happy, right? 1 year, how much struggle he might have faced without job. Okay. So he is happy. That is motivation for us actually, for you and for us first. For us, if I see one success story, I'll get more energy and we will help you with many people. Okay. So these guys are giving that energy for us. Names we have removed it because it's a we should not disclose the names because they went with experience. So if somebody knows you came from training institute, means they're working very hard, very realistic. They're working in a very good way. So since they're working in a good way, even 6 months, 8 months also, they are getting appreciations. So some of our students, they are going to abroad also because we give work. We focus only on knowledge. So this is from Capgemini. Almost all top companies, our students is working. Okay. This is from Accenture third party, PwC, and this is Cognizant. So these are the success stories. So everything will possible with hard work. Definitely, if you hard work and smart work, we are here to guide you because we went in that journey. We know the roadmap. We can guide you step by step. You should do whatever we are. Telling. And normally during demo, they will not tell this word, but I'm telling you. After completion of the course, if you come and ask me job, sir, can you help me with the job? I'll ask you one question. How much time you have practiced? If you will be, some people will be saying, I did not get time to practice, but I want job. It is very difficult. Without knowledge, getting job is very difficult. I am a real-time consultant, will definitely guide you correctly. But whatever the things that I'm teaching, you should be able to practice. That's the only one suggestion and request from my side. Remaining everything, SAP will take care. Not Niranjan will take care or someone else will take care. If you are putting your efforts, SAP will take care. We are here to guide you. Okay, that guidance, that roadmap till your placements, we have which question, how to prepare, how to answer. Okay, what topic we have to focus, how easily we need to understand that topic. All these things is my responsibility. Just focusing is your responsibility. Okay, so let's start our journey from Monday, and within 3 to 6 months, we should be in a better position. Okay, yeah. All the best, team. Questions? I'm happy to take up your questions. Okay. So if anyone not fill the form, kindly fill the form, and our team will connect with you. So if you have any further questions also, I think I have clarified everything. If any further questions also, our team will connect with you. Okay, we will definitely help you in that. Okay. Anil, can I have your question in the chat box if you don't mind? Thank you, everyone. We'll be connecting back to you. Okay. So, Naresh, effect of AI on SAP FICO. I guess I have come up this topic. AI is an opportunity for us. Okay. I'll take more into it. I'll go more into artificial intelligence on SAP FICO. In SAP FICO, we'll get a lot of invoices from the customers. Okay. So when we are doing sales, lot of we will be getting lot of invoices from the customers. So with the help of artificial intelligence, we have done one automation. So once we get a mail, automatically SAP will read that mail and SAP will identify the customer and SAP will do the invoice in SAP system automatically. So this is one advantage of artificial intelligence in SAP. So SAP artificial intelligence will not be a threat, it's an opportunity for us. Okay, this is a live example, which this project I have worked on this project. We have to train for 5-10 invoices, 5-10 invoices where customer number, where customer date, where customer products are being available. So we have all those things in the, we need to record it. There is a mechanism to record it. So once we record, second time when we get the same invoice, SAP will understand. If something different invoice, SAP will not understand. Or not SAP, artificial intelligence will not understand. ChatGPT, if there is an answer in the ChatGPT, ChatGPT will give you. If you're asking question which is not available in that, how can ChatGPT will give you? What is Niranjan? ChatGPT cannot give you. I need to write a good mail for my boss. ChatGPT will give you. That's the artificial intelligence. Okay. So AI is an opportunity for us. Precious faces any problem in hiring process. Freshers, we have many people who got placed as a fresher in Deloitte as well. Very recently, also 1-2 months story I'm talking about. Some product-based companies also they got placed, like Apollo Microsystems, they got placed. And we do have last month also there was an opportunity in ISB, Indian School of Business, which is in Hyderabad. Okay, so there are opportunities. We have to go and attend the opportunities. Okay, so as a experienced recruiter will call you, but as a fresher recruiter will not call you. You have to go to that company. You have to check the opportunities every day. You have to go and attend interviews. That's one major thing for the fresher. Opportunities are there. There is no problem with the recruitment also. So without freshers, how experiences will people will be coming? That's also a challenge. So just go with the freshers. Freshers, no worries. You can get the opportunities, but you should have some patience. You should attend all the interviews wherever there is. So you will select or not. That's second issue. Second thing, we have to go and attend the interview. Okay, that's one thing. And freshers, relevant job, anything we have to take. When I started my journey, I did not. I worked for SAP FICO consulting role. I did not get chance. I got a chance to as SAP end user. I did not stop. I worked as an end user. I got, since I have completed my MBA, I got a store manager job. 24 Mintra, there is one organic store, if you know. I got a store manager job in that since I have done my MBA. But it's not in SAP. So if it's not in SAP, that will not help me for my growth, right? If I was in that store, today I might be becoming store manager for 10 or 20 stores or in Hyderabad. My salary would be 70,000 or 80,000. But since I'm in SAP, salary is triple of that. Okay. So any job relevant to SAP as a fresher, I'm talking about fresher, you can. Anil Kumar, you are correct. SAP is having more than 34 modules, not only 34, more than 34. F5, finance, materials management, purchase, sales different, manufacturing different, operations different, HR different. So there are different modules. Out of this, FICO is the core module. Without FICO, no SAP will. SAP is the core module. SAP consultant will have complete knowledge of other. This I'll tell you in the maybe tomorrow's class, Monday's class, we'll start this topic on. Okay. Course timing will be 10 to 11. So 10 to 11 will be the new batch from Monday. So no gap. So Monday we are going to start. Okay. Free structure and other assignments, you can just talk with our admin team. They will be helping you. Okay. So subject wise, I am subject matter expert. Whatever you want, I'm happy to help. Okay. And There are two programs. Two programs are different because for first program, it took 3 months time. We need to spend 3 months completely to teach you first program. That is training and placement assistance. This is enough for understanding about SAP FICO. For fresher level, this is enough. For even if you are going out as 1 or 2 years of experience, this is enough. But if you want to learn real time, then only you have to come to the second. Again, my efforts, my team efforts, my other colleagues' efforts are involved, right? So we charge something for that. Minimum we'll charge for that. After placement only we'll charge remaining. Okay. So that is also not, if that's not mandatory. If you really want to work with real-time consultants, then only you can come to the second program. First program is enough for if you want to go by your own. Okay. So whatever help you want, if you want to go by your own interview questions, answers, so that everything will get. Okay. So you, Suresh, if you need internship, please contact admin team. They'll connect with you. Please inform. They will guide you. And one more thing, we have fast track also with us. If you are a working professional, you can you cannot spend daily 1 hour. You can have 2 to 3 hours every day. Then you can go for fast track. Fast track means this is a different program where my course is completely recorded and kept it in the drive. And one manager will be there with you, just like how we do in our offices, learning portal like that. Wherever you struck, your one more consultant will guide you. And each and every completion of after completion of each and every topic, we'll conduct interviews also. So it's a one-on-one session. It's like fast track means it's like one-on-one. The only one thing is it's like a recorded videos. You have to learn, but you have a live person with you where he will support you wherever you start. So that is one benefit. So time, this is for working people. Or just now 3 months back, I lost my job or I came out of the company. Now I have full time. For these people, you can go with fast track, but not for the freshers. Freshers go slow with regular class. So if you don't have time, I need to complete in 45 days, then you can adapt for fast. Okay. Other information, my team will help you. Margaret, after completion of the course, you can happily work as SAP end user. Okay. Yeah. Because I give training on both fresher as well as, sorry, consultant level as well as end user level in this program itself. You can go, my main is consultant only. My main aim is making you consultant. But as a beginner, if you want to go as an end user also, you can, no worries. Hari, yes, we do have placement guarantee, but the process I have explained, right? You have, yeah. So it's not like after completion of the course, if you ask me to give me job, not only me in India or world, nobody can able to help you. But if you follow my process, I'll give you 1000% guarantee. Till you get job, I'll be with you. Okay, on me or my team will be with you. You attend 10 interviews, 15 interviews, will be with you. Every interview, whatever the challenges you are facing, come, will guide you. Next interview, go and attend, you will crack it. Okay. So 4 5 interviews, if you attend 7 6 7, you can easily. So my placement people, they are cracking in one or first or second interviews. Many people they are cracking in first and second interviews, working professionals. So those who are having career gap, for them it is taking around 7 8 10 also, because they don't have any industry experience. So they will get feared with the interviews. So that is one challenge that it is taking them for 10. Otherwise, it won't take that much time. Skill is whatever we are. I am also real-time consultant. Whatever I'll ask, 70, 80% they will ask. Other consultants also will ask the same thing. Maybe 20% will be differ from my asking and their asking. So it's not only me. My colleagues are also available. One day I'll take interview. Another week, my colleague will take interview. So you'll understand multiple things. Okay. Spoken English will not be included in the course, but will guide you how to overcome that issue. Many people are, even I am from village background only when I came to Hyderabad. So only one thing we guide you, the Indian English news channels, enough, nothing else is required. Indian English news channels. So if you know the politician, if he is going for a debate, listen that every day, 30 minutes. After completion of the course, you can able to speak. In SAP, whatever you are learning SAP, that itself you have to speak in the interview. Along with that, the modulation should be in English. That's it. Okay. So it's easy only for SAP FICO. Communication management is easy, but focus is required. I don't say that you don't need to go. You need to go to any spoken English. Not even required. Just if you speak with your colleagues or in the class with me, it's enough. Vinay, any other questions? Connect with our admin team. I'll be having. I have another class. I may not able to pick my call, but if really required, we'll connect. No problem. Okay. AI, no worries. AI will not replace FICO jobs. Okay. I can give you that assurance. Okay. You no need to worry about it. So I should be first worried. If AI is replacing FICO job, first I should worry. Okay, not you. So I am not worrying. I'm happy. Okay. So if I am happy because you have other opportunities also. I don't have any other opportunity. I am half into SAP itself. Okay. 30, 40 years, if we are having career, already 15, around 14, 15 years, I am in SAP. I should worry first. So I and my colleagues should worry. We are so happy with AI. So you please don't worry. Okay. Jaipal, yes. Course content I'll teach you. I'll show you tomorrow. End to end, I'll teach you. Whatever the course content I'm explaining on Monday session, if I won't teach that, I'll give you a refund. Okay. I personally give you a refund, not institution. Okay. So that is the commitment I give on the course content. Okay. End user starting salary, if you can expect from 2.5 to 6. Okay, 2.5 is the minimum salary. Nowadays, 3 lakhs is the minimum. 2.5 worst case, 3 we are getting, 25,000 we are getting. So up to 6, 7 lakhs also, there are many people there. Again, placement guarantee. Placement guarantee means I showed you the process. If you follow my process, 100% guarantee I can give. Okay. Thank you, boss. Thank you. Thank you for your time. Any other questions? Monday session, I'll take it up. Okay. Now I have other class. I need to go. And my team will connect with you. You can ask any questions to them. Okay. Thank you. Have a good day.